Hey everybody, welcome to Musical Reviews with Mr. B, where we review the musical ideas we've learned about in our instrument lessons. Today's review is about meter versus time. So, meter versus time, they're related to each other, but they are not the same thing. In fact, let's just say, first of all, they're not twins, but they are cousins. They have to do with the same idea, but they're not the same thing. Let's take a look here at meter versus time. We're going to talk about the differences, so let's separate them here. First of all, time is about what you can see, time signatures, and how music is written on the musical staff, and how that idea can be seen. Whereas meter is about, there's nothing there. You can't see meter. Meter's more about what music feels like. So time is about what's written in your music, where meter is about how the music feels. All right, let's take a little bit more of a look at that. Just to remember those two terms. Time is about what music looks like. Meter is about what music feels like. Let's talk about that feel. Let me pick a shape. I'm going to pick a shape, a star. All right, and I'm going to say the word star in a pattern, and I just want you to hear what I'm saying and see if what I'm saying gives you a picture in your imagination. Here we go. Star, 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 star. All right, what you heard there probably gave you a picture in your mind. You're thinking of a star, surely, but you may have been thinking of a pattern as well. Let me do that once more and see if you can pull a picture of a pattern in your mind as I say that again. Star, 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 star. So what you felt as I said that probably looks a little something like this. Star, 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 star. You probably saw a pattern in your mind as you were hearing that. And you can see now with your eyes as well that there's 3 stars in our pattern, and then that 3-star pattern repeats a couple of times. Now, let's take the star out of the equation here and use numbers. Now, let me say the numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you get a picture in your mind of that pattern? It probably looked like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You noticed a pattern of 3 numbers. The first number, number 1, was always louder, so we could show it visually this way. Even before you saw it, you could feel that pattern. Okay? Now, meter is about what we felt. That's what we just experienced. But time is about what you can see. And you would see written in your music a time signature, probably 3, 4. That top number in the time signature, the 3, would be showing that the pattern in our music that repeats has 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And then that pattern would repeat over and over again in our music. So meter is about what we felt. Time is about what we would see or write in our music. Let's try another pattern. Star, 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 star. Did you get it? How many pieces are in the pattern this time? Right, there's 4 pieces in our pattern, and then that pattern repeated. The first of the 4 is louder, or visually here we see that it's bigger. And we could change that into numbers. You could probably do that without me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? It looked like this. 4 pieces to our pattern, and then that pattern repeats. The loudest sound was always the number 1. Okay, so that is what we felt. That's the meter. What we would see or write in our music would be a time signature, probably 4, 4. That top number 4 would be telling us that the repeated pattern has 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, So that's the difference between meter and time. Meter is not a twin to time, but they are related to each other, so we can call them cousins. And time is about how music looks, what would be written down, where meter is about how the music feels. That's time versus meter. Thanks for tuning in to Musical Reviews with Mr. B and our review today of meter versus time. Look for some more videos coming about different types of meter and more videos about how time signatures work. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.